Mobile modular food hub KOSAZTSKY STAN, which can simultaneously provide hot meals to units of the armed force, mobile units of the state emergency service, NGO, field hospitals, etc., and occupied a small area 21 by 16 meters. Food hub includes warehouse module, daily and long-term storage of products, procurement module, module for cooking hot dishes, module for eating, washing module, sanitary and hygienic module, module for water supply, electricity supply, waste storage, heating, sewage collection. In the field, the food hub KOSAZTSKY STAN allows the personnel of the unit to organize meals in 3 shifts in a module for eating for 48 people. Mobile modular food hub KOSAZTSKY STAN assistance in compliance with sanitary, hygienic and environmental standards when preparing and consuming hot food for servicemen of the armed force, organizing of eating process for servicemen taking into account the requirements of the theory of regional nutrition, the possibility of producing special meals for servicemen using modern equipment of the procurement module and the module for preparing hot meals. The mobile modular food hub KOSAZTSKY STAN is a mobile complex that has uniqueness, provides a complete food circle in a small area, including food storage and waste disposal. The designed food hub includes the following modules: warehouse, procurement, hot dishes cooking, eating, washing, sanitary and hygienic, water supply, electricity supply, waste storage, heating, sewage collection. The mobile modular food hub KOSAZTSKY STAN has wide functional capabilities to increase the comfort level of visitors and occupants, stay a sufficient set of equipment and accessories, tableware and inventory for carrying out technological operation for cold processing of products, preparation of dishes with a 3 shifts mode of food intake, as well as packing and packing materials, tools, accessories and replacement parts. Power supply of the gathering point can be carried out from the external network or, if necessary, from the Mitsu APV-80 diesel power plant. The proposed technology of mobile food points can have different configuration. The cost of the line with the minimum equipment is about 5.8 million hryvnias. Market value 6.2 million hryvnias. Production capacity 3 lines per month. Limitation: availability of a sufficient number of components of the assembly line and mobile food points. Availability of specialists with appropriate qualifications. S1 today is the development and load of the thermal, mechanical and refrigerator equipment of 11 modules of the food hub KOSAZTSKY STAN, application number A 2022-02888, were registered by Ukr Patent on August 10, 2022 for the patent for the mobile modular food hub KOSAZTSKY STAN invention. The project team offers the investors an unique and optimized technology for the Ukrainian market for the creation of mobile gathering points for the needs of the armed force of Ukraine, the Ukrainian National University, a promising team of scientists, know-how for the defense sector of Ukraine.